I heard from a rabbi that online conversions are not valid. You heard correctly. Online conversions are meaningless. Jewish conversion is determined by halacha. Halacha says that a Jew has to go through a process. In order to convert, they have to dip into a mikveh, they have to accept the Torah in front of 3 kosher dayanim, which have to be Orthodox Jews, not conservative, not reformed, not non-Jewish. They have to be considered kosher dayanim. If it's a male, they have to have a brit milah, circumcision. Even if they had a circumcision at birth at some hospital, they still has to be checked before the conversion date to make sure that there was a proper brit milah, or if not, they have to fix it under the supervision of the Beit Din. And if they have a proper circumcision, then they would still have to do what's called a atafat adam, which is just pricking the male member with a small needle in order to generate some blood. It's like the same thing that they use for people that test their bloods for diabetes. So it's that tiny little needle, and that's called atafat adam. But it's a process. Conversion is not something you could do on the internet. Conversion, it's not something that you could just simply pay for it and therefore you become Jewish. Conversion means that you are accepting upon yourself the laws of the Torah, and the laws of the Torah also include the laws of conversion.